Howdy, this is Robert with Dailey Woodworks and the Recreational Woodworker.com, where we help you build great furniture. And today I'm going to ruin a perfectly good picture frame and do a faux rough sawn look on it using a Sawzall. I have made this walnut frame for a mirror that I'm doing for customer, and they really wanted it to have a rough sawn look. Well, I didn't have any rough sawn walnut with me or in stock, so I have figured out how to make it look rough sawn. So here's the example I have of my rough sawn stock. This one I did with a coarser blade, and you can see where it kind of dug in a little bit. And then the other side I did with a finer tooth blade, and I personally like that look a little bit better. So that's what I'm going to do with my rough sawn look on this walnut. And yeah, it kind of hurts a little bit, to be honest with you. But it's a really cool trick to create different effects. And yeah, so let me show you how to do it. The first thing I'm going to do is position my workpiece towards the edge of my work table so I can really get in here and work it well. And then I'm clamping it down with my Faux tool clamping elements. Now in my video right before this one, of course there'll be a link to it, I showed how to do mitered corners with the domino. That still stands. So here's what we're gonna do, is we're gonna take this, I've got a fine tooth metal blade on my Sawzall right now. We're not gonna take it and run the blade into the wood, we're gonna take it and go across the wood backwards. As I do this, I'm going to make sure my orbiting action is off and try to keep it as even as possible. That's that. Now I'm going to go back and I'm just going to kind of pause in a few places as I go to kind of create. There we go. And that pretty well did it. I'm going to now lightly sand this and kind of show you what this looks like. I'm going to lightly sand this with some 180 grit just to kind of smooth out just a little bit. There we go. And now, to simulate what it looks like with finish, I'm going to take a damp rag and rub it on there. Ah, crap.